At Arboricultural Services Treework, we are a family business with over 35 years of experience and manage many different sizes and species of trees across a variety of places. Taking care of trees or hedges properly is important to us, and all our fully qualified tree surgeons and arborists have a great understanding of tree care, tree management and woodland remedial work. Our process starts first with a consultation, after which a site visit is performed before a written quotation is presented to you. If all is agreed, then a commencement date is set. Communication is paramount, and we'll always keep in contact with you once the work is underway, so that you're kept abreast of everything throughout the whole process. Whether you have a small domestic garden or a large commercial site, you can always count on us. We offer a wide range of tree surgery and maintenance services, including stump removal, tree felling, hedge trimming and more. We always offer a practical service and an honest price, regardless of the size of your greenery. Tree and hedge diseases are rife all over the UK, and if not treated properly, they can cause severe damage and injuries to many plant species. You might have a tree that is suffering from honeysuckle, or perhaps you are concerned about oak decline. Our expertise means that we are perfectly placed to help stop the disease from spreading to other trees or vegetation throughout your property. We guarantee we'll leave your garden clean and tidy at the end of the job. It's all just part of the service. So for more information, give us a call today to discuss your requirements.